Good day everyone, it's K&K here. It's Kisses and I'm Krisha. And today, let's talk about promoting good student practices. Dito sa channel na to, we share simple ways to be better students at syempre better citizens din. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit importante ang tamang waste segregation. Admit it, minsan, tinatamad tayong magtapon ng basura sa tamang basurahan. Pero alam nyo ba, maliit man yan, malaking epekto kapag pinagsama-sama. Kapag hindi tayo nagsasegregate ng basura, napupuno ang landfill, bumabara ang drainage at minsan nagiging sanhi pa ng baha. Kaya dapat, alam natin kung paano mag-segregate. Simple lang yan, biodegradable, non-biodegradable at recyclable. Ang biodegradable, yun yung madaling mabulok, gaya ng food waste, dahon o papel. Non-biodegradable naman, yung plastic, wrappers, styrofoam at iba pa. At syempre, may recyclable materials, gaya ng bote, lata at karton na pwedeng gamitin ulit or i-repurpose. Kapag marunong tayong mag-segregate, mas madali ang recycling process at mas konti ang basura sa landfill. Plus, nakakatulong tayo sa environment. Mas malinis ang paligid, mas maganda ang hangin at mas healthy ang community. At alam nyo ba, hindi lang physical cleanliness ang importante, pati digital cleanliness din, tulad ng pag-share ng tamang information at pag-iwas sa fake news or cyberbullying. Clean surroundings, clean online habits, good student practice yan. So starting today, let's be responsible, mag-segregate ng basura, mag-recycle at panatilihing malinis ang ating paligid. At syempre, follow us for more videos that promote good student practice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kisses and Krisha YouTube channel.